Hello everyone. In this video we will be looking for logical function, some more advanced. I have written some data here, but just for understanding purpose I have written marks, that is 50, and I want to check this marks is valid or not. That is, I want to check this marks should be greater than equal to 0 or less than equal to 100. Then it is only valid marks, otherwise it is invalid. So how I can check it? First of all, I have to write equal to, then and, logical and function in the bracket. Now if you will see, here is logical 1 and logical 2. I have to write the condition here. The condition is that I want to check whether this marks is greater than equal to 0 or less than equal to 100. So for that I have to first select this cell, that is C2, greater than equal to 0, comma, again I am going to select this cell again, C2, less than equal to 100. After closing the round bracket, I have to press enter sign. Once I'll press enter, I will get true. That means it is valid, true. It is the AND function return me the true value. Now suppose I am going to change it. I am just putting a minus sign before my number. Then see, enter. Now see, it is showing me false value because this marks is not greater than equal to 0, not less than equal to 100. So in this way we can implement our logical AND function. Now come to another point. Suppose I have a student's record and I want to check whether student is pass, fail, first or invalid. I have taken condition, that is, if the marks is less than 40, the student is fail, and the marks is greater than 40 and less than 60, the student is pass. Greater than 60 and less than equals to 100 is first. Greater than 100 means it is invalid data. Now how I can check it? See, I have to write equal to, and I'm going to write if condition. If, then bracket start, round bracket, and I'm going to write and logical function. Now I have to give the condition. I want to check whether this number is greater than equal to 0, comma, again this number less than 40. This is my condition. If this condition is true, then it has to display the message, that is fail. I have to write fail in double quotes. Now again I have to put another if within the if condition I have to write and logical function. Now my condition is I want to check this marks should be greater than equal to 40, second condition, comma, this marks less than 60. In this condition, if this condition is true, then it has to display pass, comma, again I am going if condition, if logical and. Now again I have to select this, if this marks is greater than equal to 60, comma, again this marks less than equal to 100, then it has to display a message, that is after the bracket, after comma, it has to display first. Now else, invalid. In quotes we have to write invalid. I have to close 3 brackets, one for if, second if, third if, enter. Now it will display first because this fall in the condition of first 60. That means marks is greater than equal to 60. Now if I'll drag the formula, then it will show. Now see, 34 fall in this condition, that is the student is fail in this paper or in this subject. And in this way you can implement logical and function within if function. That's it for this video.